Hello a Gaeilge. Fáilte arás a rééis a Gaeilge. Hey Gaeilge le chéimhe. So welcome back again, friends. So last week we did a leo agus Seachtain reading and listening lesson. And this week we're going to do another one of those because the feedback actually was so positive that we're going to do another one. And this is week 10. Can you believe it? We've been at this 10 weeks already. So seo Ryan Gaeilge ar líne Ceacht Leo agus Seachtain, and we're going to do the same series of books that we used last week, but we're going to move on to the next book. And Chéad Leabhar Eile. The next book is Clog and Da Heave. So you can have a look at the cover there and use the clues. So it's up to you how you do this. The same as last week, you can grab a piece of paper and a pen and start to jot down some ideas as we go, or you can do it word for word. You can just sit, close your eyes and listen and let it sink in, or you can turn the sound off and try and read it yourself. So we'll start now. Bhí sé de nós ag codjogaí, bualadh isteach I dtí Johnny I Halún. Cha raibh Johnny a riamh gan scialtaí. Bartley a thosaigh an chaint chloganna. Tá méid sin tuirseach de na cloganna a learm sin a lig atá sa bhalla agin sa Seachtain. Níl mé abal de neall a choladh leofa, agus ach an duine ag imeacht ag obair luath ar maidin. D'arc Johnny Ba é mar sin atá, a deir sé. Chan onan rá chlog ar bí, mar sin hain. Ar tholadh tú iomra a riamh, ar chlog an da heamh? D'arc siad a lig ar Johnny. Well, ar Seachtain, bhí stáisiún tríonach mór I mbaile ach a clia. Bhí colún mór I lear an stáisiún ag an am. Bhí clog mór ar dhá thaobh an colún sin. An cholún, go mo leiscail. Please forgive me. We all make mistakes. Lán sé ar aghaidh. Bhí an chlog ar thaobh amháin ar an teamam, agus bhí an chlog ar an taobh eile, ar an am an toghraí. Rinne bodach mór dar gearan fan chlog. That sentence maybe shows you why this is a book geared at adults. Ní am céarna an rathaíomh an chlog sin. Sa sesin go géir leis an rastalaí bót. Níl céalar bí leis. Chuir sé aontas an rastalaí. Tá céal leis, a dúirt sesin. Tá méú an tám céarna orthúg, ba leor clog a bháin. Could sé an chéal a bhéú le rá chlog leis an am céarna? So that's the end of our story. As you can tell, the idea is that they're a wee bit funny. They're geared at adults that are learning Irish, but not for kids. But it's the beginner level. But let me know what you think. Caoimhe dó thoill in scéal sin. And maith is mailum, ní mailum in scéal. You can let me know. So if you've been listening, you can go back now and listen again, or you can check your work. There's a rough translation coming up. You can pause for the rough translation in English to check over your work. Pause here for the first bit, and then in a couple of seconds will be the next bit. So whenever you've checked your work, you can take a wee break, glochsos, and we're going to look at Sean Ockle and Lay on Ceacht to Caoimhe. So our Sean Ockle from last week, and it was Anche a bhíonn siúlach, bhíonn sé scéalach. So hopefully you recognise siúlach as walking and scéal as a story, and it means that a person is well walked, is full of stories, or in other words, if you've travelled, you've seen a lot, you've experienced a lot. So my sibh, that's it for this week, except our Sean Ockle and Lay. So this week's Sean Ockle, or our Sean Ockle for today, is Tus Maith Lach na Hibre. And that Ibre comes from Ubber. So there's a couple of clues there. Let me know what you think it is in the comments or in our conversation. Agus sin don la aniu. So my sibh, if you like this video, give it a wee like. If you think that there's somebody else that you think might enjoy it, pass it on to them, send it to them. And don't forget to send me any questions, email me any pronunciation, take part in our WhatsApp group if you need any voice clips. Agus sin slán go fóill, slán.